Look, now I will say on. On. There you go. And now when I say off, off. Look, I click on. Yeah, okay. And I click off, we're gone. Hello guys, I am Rishi. Today I am going to explain how you can control an LED, as you can see, an LED with a phone. So first what you do, you go to Tinkercad so that you can test out. But over here, you don't need much testing. So now connect an LED like this. I am showing in Tinkercad because the real life connections are very difficult. Phone can send a signal to the Arduino. You see, this is a Bluetooth. So there are 6 pins. EN, VCC, GND, TXD, RXD, and state. We do not want to connect the state or EN pins. So what you do, you connect VCC to 5 volts. Okay, you connect VCC to 5 volts, ground to ground. So for RXD and TXD, you must like put this number. So then you include the library. Then you can name it anything you want. I named it Among Us. And then you put a bracket with 2 numbers beside it. Those 2 numbers should be consecutive, like 12 and 11, 10 and 9, 8 and 7, and they are on. No, 6 is for TX and 7 is for RX. As you can see, I do here. Then in void setup, you must do pin mode, serial begin, and begin the software serial. Then you do int, you make an integer, a variable, and then you make it so that the int will read the software serial. Put in the software serial, whatever the number you're getting, in the serial monitor. The phone, it will send a signal either 1 or 0 based on the coding. So if it sends 1, then you must put the pin to high. And if it sends 0, then you must put the pin to low. So now this is the MIT App Inventor code. Okay. So first what we have to do, we have to call the Bluetooth client to connect and address Bluetooth section. When the button off is clicked, call the Bluetooth client to send 0. That way, over here, it will be digital write 8 low. So the LED will be off. When on clicked, call Bluetooth client, send 1 byte number 1. So as you can see, then it will put high. Then when this is for voice, so when there's a voice, you must call the speech recognizer to get the text. If when speech recognizer after getting text, if it contains the word on, then you must send number 1. If it contains the text off, you must send the number 0. So this is this designer in the MIT App Inventor, and now I'm going to connect my phone to it. So now I have connected my phone to the MIT App Inventor. As you can see, it looks like this. So now when I connect the Arduino and upload the code, I've already uploaded the code. So then you should click Bluetooth over here. You should click Bluetooth over here and then find out, then look for the devices in yours. So you must try to pair your Bluetooth, okay? If it doesn't show up here, that means you have to pair your Bluetooth to the phone. I have paired my Bluetooth and you have to look for one that says HC05. After clicking, wait for a bit, it will connect to the, yes. Now you can see it says connected. It's kind of hard to see here. So now when I click on, wait a minute. Now when I click on here, now when I click on, there you go, it ons. If I click off, off. So then when you use vocal control, the voice, look, now I will say on. On. There you go. And now when I say off, off. Look.